Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we'll discuss another Java problem. So I have written the Java problem. So let's read the problem statement. So the problem is write a program that calculates the sum of all elements in an array except the element at the current index. So what you have to do, you have to print the sum of all the elements in an array except the element at the current index, which means, for example, I have given n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. So here I am giving 4 integer inputs, which is 12, 5, 4, and 3. So what should be the output is, or we can take smaller numbers or 3. So what is the sum of all the elements? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, right? So each time you have to, you have to remove this current index from the total. Remove this current index from the total. So what is 15 minus 3? 15 minus 3 is 12. And 15 minus 5 is 10. And 15 minus 4 is 11. And 15 minus 3 is 12. So this is the output. That's it. So each time you have to neglect the current index. So if you neglect current index, what should be the output for 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, see 12. And after that, the second index, you have to neglect the second index and you have to add this 3. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So we got 10. And we have to neglect this second index, 4. So what is the remaining 3 numbers? 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. And so like that only the last index. If we neglect, we have 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So in this way, we have to get the output. We have to get the output. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So what you have to write is import java dot util dot star. And here I will write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. And here I will write int n is equal to sc dot next int. And I will write int I is equal to 0. Sorry, I have to declare the array, right? So array equal to new int of size n. And I will use for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And here I will write array of I is equal to sc dot next int. And here I will write, so we have taken all the elements in the array. So here I have to write int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So here I will use nested for loop. Here I will use nested for loop. And j is equal to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus, j plus plus. So here I will take int sum is equal to 0, int sum is equal to 0. So each time I have to get the sum, right? Each time I have to get the sum. So that's why I'm taking the sum in the for loop. Yeah. So what I'm doing is, so I'll write the code. So if I not equal to j, So I'm comparing with index. I'm comparing with index. So this index, if it is not equal to this index, if it's not equal to this index, so then you have to add it. You have to add it. Like sum is equal to sum plus AR of j, AR of j. So we have to add, like we are traversing from j, right? So that's why I'm writing j. I'm writing j, and after that we have to print the sum. That's it. And the sum. I'll tell you. I will tell the each line. So for now, I will run the program. So I'll check what output will become. So for example, so what is the output says? N is equal to 4, right? 4 and play, and 3, 5, 4, and 3. So what is output? 12, 10, 11, 12. See, 12, 10, 11, 12. So it's working. It's working. So what I done is, so I have written I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, and here j is equal to 0, right? J is equal to 0. So first of all, I will check with I is equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0. Is it the condition true? False, right? 0 not equal to 0. It is equal to 0, but it is saying it's not equal to 0. So the condition failed. So it will leave the it will leave the first index. So what is the first index number? 3. First index number is 3, right? See, the first index number is 3. It will neglect the 3, and rest of the 3 will be added. So how? So the next thing is the next one is 0. So we are completed 0 not equal to 0, and after that 0 not equal to 1, right? The j value will be incremented, right? After 0, j value will be incremented here, incremented here. So after that 0 not equal to 1, right? Yes. 0 not equal to 1. Yes. So then this then that index number will be added into the sum, and after that j will be incremented again, and it will come to 2, and 0 not equal to 2. Yes, it's 2. Then 4 will be added. Then 4 will be added, and after that 34. Sorry, 3. Next one is 3. So 3 will be added like this. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. Then, and after all the addition is happened, then I will print the number. Then I will print the 12 number. And again, I value will be incremented to 1 now. 1 now. So 1. So what is the index 1? So now the 5 will be neglected. The 5 will be neglected. How? So here I value is 1, right? Here I value is 1. So then I will check 1 not equal to 0. So I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 0. 1 not equal to 0. Yes, it's not equal to 0. So 3 will be added. And after that, j will be incremented and j will come to the 1. So 1 not equal to 1, it's false. So then this number will be neglected. Then this number will be neglected. And these both numbers will be added into the sum. And the next number 10 will be printed here. I hope you understand why I'm writing here. So each time this loop is traversing all this inner nested loop. Inner nested loops. I hope you understand. So why I'm writing sum is equal to sum plus AR of j instead of AR of I, because all the numbers are printed in j, not in I. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand this program. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I'll definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.